Hey, what's going on guys, SheetGeek here, and today I'll be teaching you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. So first we have the total sales, we have the region, and we also have the year. So how do we make this? So without any formatting or merging of cells, this is what the original would look like. So to start merging cells, simply highlight the cells you want to merge, come up here to the Merge Cells button, and then click it. So now all these cells have combined into one. You can then go ahead and center line the wording, and then you can also bold it and give it a background color. And then after that you can do the same for the region, so you can highlight the cells and then come up here to the Merge Cells button, click it, and now it's one cell. So then you can go ahead, center line the wording, and then give it another background color. Then I'm also going to bold it, and now we have this table. One more thing you can do is just add the borders, so now it looks a lot better. Next we want to have the total sales come across all these cells. So you can just go ahead and highlight the cells, and then come up here and click Merge Cells, and then, like as always, center align the words, bold it. You can also increase the font, and then for this one I'm going to give it a black background with white text. So lastly, let's say you want to merge multiple rows or multiple columns of cells at one go. So for that, let's say we horizontally want to merge all these cells just like that. So in order to do that at one go, we can just highlight all the cells, come up here to the Merge Cells and click on the arrow, and then we can simply merge horizontally. It would then have a pop-up saying that it only preserved the top leftmost value. So in this case, it would be the leftmost value, so 1, 3, and 5 would all be preserved. So we can go ahead and press OK. And now all these cells are horizontally merged. But let's say we want to vertically merge all these cells. So to do that at one go, we can simply highlight all the cells, come up here to the Merge Type button, and click Merge Vertically. So just like before, a note would pop up saying it would preserve the top leftmost value. So in this case, it would be the top value. So it would be 1 and 2 would be both preserved. So we can press OK, and now these cells are merged, and then you can go ahead and center line it to make it all look nice and dandy. So that's basically how you merge cells. If this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Make sure to comment anything you'd like to see me do, and see you guys in the next one.